mamas, how are you guys? I'm so happy to be here. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back and I am in my second trimester feeling so energized, which I am so happy about because the first trimester, you couldn't get me out the house. You couldn't really get me out of the bed. I was sleeping by 7 p.m. every single day. I was so tired in my first trimester. And I just want to share with you guys the things that I have in my life that really helped me pull through my first trimester. And it's almost like a survival kit for all my new mamas out there. So if you just found out that you're pregnant, congratulations. I'm super excited for you. It's a really exciting time. Okay, first of all, I have this tiny little bottle of an essential oil called Thai Fu. I got it from Amazon. My husband actually ordered it from Amazon. First trimester, I ended up getting a really bad migraine that lasted for 2.5 days. And it got to the point where I couldn't open my eyes. Like they were very sensitive to light. I was very sensitive to noise. I was laying down. My head was just like throbbing and pulsating and just one side like right here. My eyes were hurting and I didn't know what to do because I didn't really do anything at that point because I just knew that I couldn't take any medication to alleviate the pain. So I ended up calling my doctor because it got to the point where I couldn't handle it anymore. It was really painful. And I called the doctor and she recommended that I take Tylenol and that I drink some soda. And then she said to drink a lot of water. So come to find out, I was super dehydrated because water would just make me want to throw up. So I was very nauseous whenever I would drink water, right? So I ended up really dehydrated, which is really bad, guys, I know. But then my doctor told me to take the Tylenol and I did. And the headache went away, the migraine went away. But then it came back after the medication wore off. So in the middle of the night, I took another dose of Tylenol. And I woke up in the morning and I had like hives all over my hands, like just tons of bumps all over my hands and all over my body. But the majority of the hives were in my hands, just like tiny little bumps all over my body. And it was a side effect of the Tylenol. And I just got to thinking of how, yeah, it took my migraine away, but there's always like a side effect that pops up somehow, some way. There's always a side effect to a drug. And it really concerned me because I've never broken out in hives before. And there's even another skin condition which causes third-degree burns as a side effect from taking Tylenol or just ibuprofen, right? So it made me very cautious. And during that time, my husband was talking to his sister, my sister-in-law, and she said that for migraines, she has been using Thai Fu, which is an essential oil, and you place it in your temples. And every time I have any signs of like headaches, I haven't gotten migraines, but just like headaches, I rub a little bit of this on my temples or in the middle of my forehead, and it has a really strong scent. It has been helping me so much with headaches, guys, and I haven't been taking any Tylenol ever since, which I prefer not to take anything, especially during the pregnancy. So yeah, this is a tiny little bottle, guys. I am going to link everything that I'm talking about down below, or you can check out my website, which I just relaunched, and I'm so well, not relaunched, but I've been like blogging so much on it, and I'm gonna link and give you guys information on all of these things. But yeah, that's something that I recommend if you are getting migraines and that you just don't want to take any Tylenol, or if you're getting a little bit of a headache, just put a little bit of this on your head. I do it before I go to sleep so I could also sleep very comfortably if I have any signs of a headache. So that really helps me out. Okay, so the next product that I want to recommend is this serum here. This has vitamin C, which is a really great ingredient if you have hyperpigmentation on the skin. Especially if you are Latina, you are a lot more prone to hyperpigmentation on the skin because we just produce a lot more melanin as a result of any kind of skin injury, whether it be like sun damage or if you're picking your skin. That's why we have a lot more manchas on our face, right? So this one here by Tarte, it's called Youth or Dare. It has a really potent shot of vitamin C. Vitamin C is the one key ingredient that you need to help treat and prevent also hyperpigmentation on the skin. Especially for pregnant women, we tend to also produce the mask of pregnancy, which is, you know, like darker spots on your forehead, on your cheeks, on your neck sometimes. So I highly recommend a vitamin C serum during pregnancy. But honestly, if you guys are Latina, like myself, and you have similar skin color, I would really recommend just including a vitamin C serum into your skincare regimen. It's gonna make the biggest difference, but specifically if you are pregnant. And this one here by Tarte, it has a really, really strong scent because it's super potent. So it doesn't smell good, to be honest with you. It smells really strong, but it's really gonna deliver that vitamin C. Next up, more skincare products. These are the last two skincare products that I would like to recommend. This is what I've been using for stretch marks. You want to start using it on your first trimester. If you have, you can use bio oil that helps treat your stretch marks, kind of fade them away a little bit. But if you don't have any and you're just really cautious about that, I would recommend just really start to moisturize the skin. I like to mix these two every single night. After I get out the shower, I keep my skin super moisturized, so it's very stretchable in a sense. So yeah, this one's bio oil, and this is coconut body oil as well. So just really two moisturizing oils. I don't have stretch marks in my stomach, but I do have them like on the side of my thigh. But my sister-in-law of mine, she has 4 kids and she doesn't have any stretch marks. And she told me that the secret to that is moisturizing. She uses cocoa butter, but she also said that if you need to scratch, to tap the skin. So never scratch, because that's what causes stretch marks also. There's a lot of reasons why, of course, but that's just kind of like a thing that people say. Don't scratch the skin, and I'm just going by her advice. So I'm not doing that whenever I do feel itchy, guys. So yeah, definitely keep your skin overall, but definitely the stomach area, keep it super hydrated and moisturized. So the next one, I did talk about this here. This is for if you're feeling nauseous, guys. These are These are Preggy drops, and I got them from Amazon, and they are just little natural, drug-free little candies that you can take if you are feeling morning sickness. I was really nauseous. I haven't thrown up though, but I have been feeling, not anymore, my first trimester, super nauseous almost the entire time, and a lot more so during the night for some reason. So I had to stop eating like at 3 p.m. because if I ate any later than 3 p.m., I would feel super heavy at night, and I would not be able to fall asleep, and I would feel so bloated, and that would feel like nauseous. So these have really been helping me just whenever I have a little bit of a feeling of like just I want to throw up. I take one of those and it really helps me. So you can get them online. I really recommend them, and they do taste pretty good. Next recommendation is a tumbler or a water bottle. Guys, if you have something cute to drink from, I promise you're probably gonna drink water so much more. So this is a gift that I got from a company that I am going to link down below because I don't even remember. It's been a while since they sent it to me, but it's this custom tumbler. I don't know why, but the water tastes so good in here, but it has my name. Look at this. It's so pretty and sparkly. It's like my favorite tumbler, and this is the top, so you can put hot liquids, whatever you want in here. But I fill it up with water and I keep it on my desk, and I'm just like constantly just sipping on this, especially from my migraine situation that I had when I was super dehydrated, guys. So I always keep this around, and I take it in the car. Anywhere that I'm going, this little baby goes with me with water to make sure that I'm at least sipping on some water and getting some sort of water in my system, because I definitely need it, even though me da asco sometimes, but I need to drink water. Oh my gosh, can we talk about our boobs? My boobs are a little bit bigger, but honestly, I'm just so much more wider. I was a 32D. I am like a 34D now, guys. My 32 size bras fit me so tight, so I don't even like wearing bras with like a wire or anything because I want to feel comfortable. So there's this store at the mall that I went to. It's called Soma, and they have really beautiful lingerie, like more basics. You're not gonna find like Victoria's Secret, like extravagant type of thing or anything like that, but they have really great basics. That's where I get my bras and my underwear. I am really loving these kind of bras, which are fabric. They don't have any wire in here, and they're super comfortable, and they don't have padding, but they have a panel of fabric that covers your nipples, so you don't have to worry about your nipples or anything like that. But they're so pretty, and I have them in black, and I also have a nude one. But these are so comfortable, guys. I really love these. Next, I have this little undergarment. This one's from Blvd, and it's actually a faja for pregnant women, which is amazing because things are growing like crazy everywhere, right? The stomach area specifically, and I like my stomach to feel supported. Like especially if I wear a dress or if I wear anything, I just want some type of like smoothness to my stomach, my thighs, my back, my butt, and my belly, and I also want support. So I found this one from a brand called Blvd, and I ordered it from Amazon, and I wear it every time that I wear a dress or what else do I wear it under? I've worn it over a jumpsuit, but I can't really wear a jumpsuit anymore because my stomach, but I wear it under a dress. I just wore it yesterday for Thanksgiving dinner, and it just really makes me feel like super smooth, and like it's a faja for pregnant women. So I highly recommend you guys get yourself a little faja so everything looks nice and smooth and you're supported underneath your clothes. I think one of the first things that you're gonna notice is that your jeans are not fitting you, they're not closing, and even leggings, like your workout leggings, the leggings that you wore before you were pregnant that were not super tight, now feel super tight and uncomfortable. I cannot wear any leggings that I had before because they're just so tight around the midsection, and it makes me feel uncomfortable, and it actually hurts my stomach. So I went to Motherhood, a peanut pod, right? They have Motherhood Maternity, the brand there. And I found these leggings, which are so amazing because they offer a lot of great support. They're high-waisted, and they really give you some stretch and support for your stomach as well, and they look really chic with sweaters or like oversized tops and things like that. So I really like these. I got myself 2 pairs of these leggings. There's also another pair of leggings that I'm actually going to order pretty soon from Spanx because I love their leggings. They have some really nice ones, but they have maternity leggings, and those give you so much structure and shape and hold and support. So I really want to get myself a pair of those. So I'm not really investing in too many pants and things like that, but the leggings, guys, they're not expensive, and you have to get yourself like a really good pair because I also bought another black pair from a website called Boohoo, but they were so cheap that it's not a good situation down there. It just doesn't look nice. You want things to be like sleek and smooth and soft, and like you want some type of hold somewhere. So these give you some hold, but I feel like the Spanx ones, I'll have to get back to you guys when I do like a lookbook for pregnancy. I feel like those are going to give me a lot more support, but these are still really comfortable and I love them. They're sleek and they go really nice with a lot of my outfits. So I really recommend them. Last but not least, I have my pregnancy pillow. This is just a part of a longer like candy cane type pillow that's just rolled up. It's too big for me to use right now, but it comes with a zipper, so you attach it to that portion, right? I got this from Amazon as well, which is where I get a lot of things. But that pillow, oh my gosh, I need to sleep with a pregnancy pillow every single night. Like my stomach is not humongous yet, but I need some support. So I read online that you're not supposed to sleep on your back because it creates a lot of pressure on your organs. So sleeping on my back is not even comfortable anymore. So I sleep on my left side, which is said that that's like the safest way to sleep on is your left side. But I sleep on both my left and my right, but it just feels so amazing to sleep with a pillow in between your legs. Like There's so much support for your belly and everything. It's just such a nice pillow. I'm like, but anyways, yeah, that's all I recommend to all of my new moms for your first trimester. If you're a new mom, if you're pregnant for the second or the third or the fourth time, I'm just really excited about pregnancy. It's really such a great time. I love showing off my belly. Second trimester, I'm telling you, it definitely does get better because I was not thinking it was gonna get better, because like when you're in the midst of like just not feeling your best and feeling tired. And another thing that I went through is that I kind of became a little antisocial. Like I haven't hung out with any of my friends. I haven't gone to my mom's house porque no tenía ganas de like arreglarme or anything like that, or just get in a car and be nauseous for like a whole hour. But I'm feeling so much better in this one, guys. I reorganized my entire makeup room, guys. It's like I gave it a makeover. I got these new shelving systems from IKEA that I'll have to give you guys a tour once I finish organizing the top. But I'm so happy with this new found energy and excitement, and I just feel completely different. And I feel like myself again, because for the first trimester, I didn't feel like myself, especially because I was in all the IVF medications, which I'm no longer taking anymore. And I'm so happy that that part is over. But I really didn't feel like myself. And now I really, really do just feel normal. I don't even feel pregnant necessarily. But I know things change for the third trimester. Either way, I'm just enjoying this new time in my life. So with that being said, if you guys have any recommendations for all of my other mamas out there, because I know you guys read the comment section, for all of my like OG veteran moms that you guys know what's up, like leave a comment down below if you know of any other things that you would like to recommend for my new moms or second or third trimester. If you have any tips, any advice, leave it in the comments section down below. I know that's going to help me out tremendously, but I also know that it's going to help the mom community out there as well, just reading the comments. So anyways, have a blessed and beautiful day, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye!